Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Janelle, and this week I'm showing you how to do some DIY cookie tricks, which is creating some cookies out of cake mix, which is a good idea if you can't always find the cookie mix that you're looking for, as well as some tricks on how to get that really cool sprinkle container that you see everywhere that's like 10 bucks. So let's just jump right into it. I'm going to show you these quick cookie DIYs.
Today's DIY is all about cookies, how to make cookies from cake batter, as well as some DIY sprinkle mix. So first, how to make cookies from cake mix, and I thought of this because I was looking for cookie mix at the store and I couldn't find it, so this is a great alternative. All you need to do is combine your cake mix with 2 eggs, half a cup of vegetable oil, and that's it. Mix it together and bam, you have cookies. And I'll tell you that these cookies were so good that I am still eating them as I am filming and editing this video. They are that good, and next time I'm pretty sure I'm going to try this with chocolate cake mix because I think that would be good as well. Now on to the sprinkles. Lately I've been seeing this big trend of sprinkle mix at a variety of different stores, but the price of them is insane. It's almost $8 sometimes for a container of sprinkles, and you can call me crazy, but I think that is a huge and steep price just for a jar of sprinkles. So Dee and I were out shopping the other day. I'll link her information below. Make sure you go check out her channel. And she said, I bet you can make these for cheaper. And you know what? Challenge accepted. And that is how this video got started. So we were already at the bulk food store, so I picked up a bunch of sprinkles that totaled $8, and you can see here from my receipt, but that also included buying 2 containers that are reusable that you can use over and over again, and as well as a random spice. So in total, I'd say like $5-6 bucks for all these sprinkles. And the next step is pretty easy, just using a measuring spoon, pour a different amount of sprinkles into the containers. I went for a variety of different themes, such as like a winter blue theme, Valentine's Day, unicorn rainbow, etc. The list goes on and on of what you can do. I also think this would make the perfect gift for people at university with their team colors, or even maybe company colors for a coworker. And the best part about this DIY is that you can't mess it up. All you do is pour your favorite sprinkles into a jar, combine them with some fun shapes and metallic colors, and you're done. It's that easy. And in the end, I made 4 containers full of sprinkles and still have enough to make 1 more. So that's 5 containers for the price of 1, even cheaper. So I'd say that is a few goal win, and that is awesome. So if you like to have a deal like I do, then you gotta try this.
Those were the DIYs for the cookies. I hope you guys like it. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you go do that, as I have some fun travel things coming up that you're gonna wanna check out. So I think that's about it. So I'll see you next week. Bye.